Here's the Excel file I'm going to use as the data source for my scatter plot. And there's a link in the comments to show you how to download this Excel file. So this Excel file has a lot of data in it. It has players' names, number of games played, minutes, points, field goals made, etc. We won't use all of this data, but we will use some of it. So I'm going to close this file, close this folder, and now I'm going to launch Tableau Desktop Free Edition, and it'll take a moment to launch. And the first time I launch it, when I'm starting out on a new workbook, I'll get this Connect panel over here on the left side, and I want to connect to a Microsoft Excel file. So I'll click Microsoft Excel, and then I would navigate to the folder that has that Excel file in it, and the name of the file is NBA Career Leaders. So we'll double click. And now I've added this Excel file as a data source to my Tableau workbook, and I can look through the information in the Excel file here. But before I do anything else, I want to save this Tableau workbook. So I'm going to click on File, Save As, and I'm just going to save it to the desktop. And where it says Save As Type, I want to make sure I've chosen Tableau Packaged Workbook. So I'm going to save it as a Tableau Packaged Workbook, and I'll select Book 1, and I'll name it Career NBA Leaders. And click Save. And now I can close my workbook. And I see in my desktop, I've got a Tableau workbook that I've saved named Career NBA Leaders.